A delta is formed when a large body of water carry materials from the upper course of a river development to the lower course of a river development, trying to empty itself in another larger body of water. Now what happened is that at the lower course of a river development, movement becomes very slow because of the materials it's carrying. So it will be forced to drop this material at the mouth of the larger body of water, and the water itself force its way through this blockage that has been formed to empty itself in the body of water, forming what is called river tributaries. Now, let's take for instance, look at my hands here. Now let's assume this is a body of water moving, and then it drops the material at the mouth of the river here. Now the water forces its way through this material, forming a landforms that looks like this with different bodies of water. Of course, we call this river tributaries. But in a case where this is formed at the lower course of a river development, a river trying to empty itself in another larger body of water, like in the case of Nigeria, you call that a delta. Now let's take for instance again my hands. Let's assume this is River Niger and Benue, and here this is the Niger Delta region, and here is the Atlantic Ocean where the river empty itself. It's not just a Nigerian thing, but anywhere there is a natural landform like that, we call it a delta. And that is why we equally have the Nile Delta in Egypt. Please, if you find this helpful, stay with me and do have a wonderful day.